Good morning, beta. We have revised the syllabus. So let's start with the mixed question of the chapter. First 6 and 7 chapter, I am giving you mixed question. You please start solving them. Additive inverse of minus 7 by 19. Represent minus 4 by 7 on number line. Find 3 write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 4. Yes. Yes.
First answer is 7 by 19.
Yes, yes. Answer of the first part is 7 by 19.
आगे हम 1 लिखेंगे और इधर से भी प्लस में स्टार्ट कर देंगे ऐसे ही।
नहीं, इधर से नहीं बेटा. Tell me the side. It should be on the right hand side or on the left hand side. If I draw.
मैम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में माइनस. मैम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में माइनस और राइट हैंड साइड में प्लस.
Yes. Can you tell me the first number? Which should I write here?
Ma'am 1 by 7.
Yes, yes, very good. That's what I want to listen. 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, and so on. And on the left hand side, minus 1 by 7, minus 2 by 7, minus 3 by 7, minus 4 by 7. You can write for the numbers, but that's your answer. You please circle it. You can name it A. A represent minus 4 by 7 on number line. Is it okay? This is how you will represent this question. You please write the answer in a proper manner so that there will be no deduction of marks.
इक्वल करेंगे फिर मैम हम थोड़ा बड़ा नंबर फॉर एग्जांपल 10 1 by 4 into 10 and 2 by 4 into 10 हम करेंगे. उससे आंसर आया 10 by 40 and 20 by 40. मैम उसके बाद हमने 4 रैशनल नंबर्स लिख देने हैं 11 by 40 12 by 40.
The first step for finding the rational number between the two numbers is to make their denominator same by taking LCM. So if you take LCM, the LCM will be 4. It will be 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. What you will do for this is you will multiply by 10 on both the sides. Now you will write the number between 10 and 40 and 2 by 40. That is 11 by 40, 12 by 40, 13 by 40, 15 by 40. Don't cancel it out. Leave the answer as it is. Okay? Is it okay? Now, can you tell me how many rational number can be there between two numbers? There will be infinite rational or irrational number between any two numbers. Means किसी भी दो numbers के बीच में infinite number होते हैं, चाहे वो किसी भी type के. ठीक है? Now the next is write 5 rational number greater than minus 4. Yes, Anjani will answer. Yes, Anjani.
Ma'am, minus 3 by 2, minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0 and 1 by 2.
Okay. Actually, on the right of minus 4, all the numbers are greater than minus 4. So from the right hand side of minus 4, you can write any number like minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all are greater than minus 4. Can you tell me the numbers which are less than minus 4? So numbers which are on the left of minus 4, they all are less than minus 4, like minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Okay, so all are smaller than -4. So your today's homework is you will do the examples of first chapter as well as you will read the things that are given at the back of the chapter, that what we have discussed. You will read it out carefully, and with this also you will read out the introduction part, that is written part in the beginning of the chapter, that you will read out carefully, because very examples are given and minute things are given in that. You please read it out carefully so that you will have clarity of the all concept. Okay, now do this question that I am giving. Express 13 square as sum of consecutive integers. Express 121 as sum of odd numbers. Find non-square numbers between 104 square and 105 square. Next is find 14 square minus 13 square using property. Mention it, means you have to write the property. Wherever you are using the property, you will write it out side by side. Find square of 43 without actual calculation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Answer of the first part is yes, Akul. How you will
84
represent
plus
13 square
85.
as a sum of consecutive integers? Can you tell me the formula?
1 plus 3.
Can you tell me the formula? Yes, Shabad.
Next question.
Thirteen square can be represented by the formula n square minus
n
1 by 2, n square plus 1 by 2.
Plus
The
1 by 2.
answer is 169 can be written as, yes, Arya,
84.
84 plus
84.
5. Is it okay? So the answer of the first part is 84 plus 85. You will write the formula side by side. Otherwise, marks will be deducted. Yes, Ananya.
Yes, ma'am. Second का आंसर देना था.
Second part, express 121 as a sum of odd numbers.
Ma'am, 11 odd
Plus
numbers.
3 plus 5
Ma'am,
plus
11.
7 plus 9. Ma'am 21 तक odd numbers लिख देने.
121 is 11 square. So you can represent it as a sum of first 11 odd numbers.
Odd numbers.
So what will be the last odd number? What will be the 11th?
21.
This. Yes, Arish?
21.
121.
21.
You will write it in this manner: 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 till first 11 odd numbers you will write. Find the non-square number between 104 square and 105 square. As you know that between two consecutive numbers square, there lie two n numbers. So 2 into 104 is your 208 numbers will lie between the square of these two. find 14 square minus 13 square using the suitable property. This is your n plus 1 whole square minus n square, that is 2n plus 1. So n here is 13. What you will write? 2 into 13 plus 1, that is 27. Is it okay? Is it clear? Next is find the square of 43 without actual multiplication or calculation. So what you will do? You will break up 43 into 40 plus 3 whole square, which is 40 plus 3, 40 plus 3. What you will do? You will open the bracket by distributive property. 40 will be multiplied with this complete bracket, then 3 will be multiplied with this complete bracket, and the answer is yes,
Ma'am, 1849.
1849.
9.
Okay. The area of the square is 1764 centimeter square. Find its side. Here triangle is given. This is your right angle triangle. 2 of its sides are given. Another is missing. Find x. If 121 is equal to x square, then possible values of x will be, find the all possible values of x.
Ma'am, first question is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus the base square. So hypotenuse.
Beta, which question you are talking about? First question.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, area of the square is given.
No, ma'am, I'm talking about second question.
Okay. Now tell me the second question.
Ma'am, 5 square is equal to 3 square plus base square. So 5 square is 25 is equal to perpendicular square is 9. So 25 minus 9 is 16. So base square will be 16.
This third side is your x, so you will write it this way. 5 square hypotenuse is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, that is x square. Now tell me, x square
is equal to 16.
16.
Yes, ma'am.
Find the value of x. This is your x square. Now we want x only. X is equal to square root of 16. And 16 square is, yes, Ananya will tell, what is square root of 16?
Ma'am, 4.
Will be plus minus 4. You will write the side x as plus minus 4. You will write here side of the square cannot be negative, so the answer is 4 centimeter. Sorry, side of the triangle cannot be negative. Square ni triangle. Side of the triangle cannot be negative, so minus 4 is rejected. So the side of the triangle is 4 centimeter. Got it? First question, who will tell me first question? Again, same students. Taranya. Taranya, can you answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you answer this first question? Area of the
42
square.
centimeter.
What?
42 centimeter.
Beta, how you will write? You will just write answer. This is a statement sum, na? You have to write it completely. Area of the square, you will write in this manner. Area of square is side into side. Side you can take as x. Let side is equal to x. This will be x into x is equal to 1764. Now x into x is your x square is equal to 1764. You will remove this square, it will become square root, and after taking square root, answer is your plus minus 42. Again, the side of the square cannot be negative, so you will write the answer as 42 centimeter. Okay, so always write double answer, reject that minus sign, and you will write negative value is not possible because it is the side of square. In this, it is the side of a triangle. So the side of the square is 42 centimeter. Got it? Now, I have written 121 is equal to x square. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Now, x square is 121. X is equal to square root of 121, which is again plus minus 1. So here, अब यहाँ पर जो x की value है, two values are there. One is positive, one is negative. Both are possible because the question is find the possible values of x. So both will be the possible value, positive x and positive 11 and negative 11. क्योंकि ये तो स्क्वायर की कोई स्क्वायर नहीं है, कोई ट्रायंगल नहीं है, so you can't reject this value. The possible values of x are plus 11 and minus 11. So this x has two values plus minus 42. Actually, we are
ma'am.
the side of the square, and the side of the square cannot be negative. So you will write here minus 42 is not possible because the side cannot be negative. So the side of the square is 42 centimeters. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
मैम मैंने ना एक
मैम
क्वेश्चन
आंसर देने के लिए
Wait, one by one.
मैम
मैम मैंने आंसर ही देना था, वो तब का एंड से।
Okay, lower down your hand. Yes, Ananya. Shabad, mute yourself. Yes.
मैम मैंने पूछना था कि मैंने ना कल नेट पे क्वेश्चन देखा था एमसीक्यू वाला, द वैल्यू ऑफ 4q डिवाइडेड बाय 1000 इज, मैम इसका आंसर 40 आएगा ना?
Repeat the question. You please send me the pic of that question.